Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to add a payment method on Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Today we're going to see how to add a payment method on Shopify. Go to Setting. Now go to Payment. Here we have the Shopify payment method option, which is only available in the US and UK. Here, we can see how to add another payment method. Click on See All Other Providers. There is All Third-Party Payment Provider. We can choose any of them as the payment provider that best suits receiving payments from your customers. Simply install and integrate in your store. Once we install the payment gateways, they will appear in the website footer, Easily Receive Payments from Customers. Now let's see how to add manual payment cards. Search and select all the payment cards which you want. This way you can create your own payment provider gateway according to the cards you have selected. Simply install and integrate it into your store. And you can search and install payment providers in the same way. In all of these ways, you can add payment methods in Shopify. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.